since you came in the room. Boy, just come over here. I'm waiting for you, shake it for you on the dance floor.
We're at Clear Creek Reservoir, or you call it McHood Park, and we're gonna do some kayaking today out to the natural spring. The campground's out there. We were just there. We went to the bathroom. It's kind of over this hill. It was almost full. There was only like 4 sites that were left. There's also people that camp on the other side of this, like dispersed camping up in here. But it's a nice day. I imagine it's going to get windy like yesterday and the day before. But we are ready. We're ready to go out. We actually parked here, and we're going to go like out over the bridge. It's kind of hard to see, but we're going to keep going. And the bridge is over there, and we're going to keep going about 3 miles up. So today's going to be a 6-mile travel. So we're energized. We have a lot of energy in us, and we'll have to see how we feel at that point. There's a fisherman, speedboat, whatever. But there are a lot of kayakers out in the lake. There's actually a lot of paddle boats, or what do you call them, stand-up paddle boards. It's a nice park. It's a nice day. It's Memorial Day weekend. It's Monday, so it should be really nice out. Okay, we are almost to the waterfall, or they call it a natural spring. It comes out around this bend. So we just took a break. We had a little snack. Terry's relaxing. The water, there's not so much rock anymore. This is like a beach. It's all sandy. And then it goes deeper to the other side. And we came from this way. We passed this historical area, and there was too many people there, so we're going to hit that when we go back. There's a lot of bird activity down here, a lot of mud swallows. And this looks like grapes, and I'm not so sure they're grapes, but they look like grapes to me. And it's right... if it rains, this is like a little creek. It actually comes out from this crazy looking rock. And look, a lizard. Anyways, it comes down from there. There's like a wash. Yeah, we've been hearing all kinds of echoing birds. It's like a big echoing area here. It's really nice though. So we're about to leave. We're going to go down further to the spring, or I guess you call it the waterfall, which is this way. Alrighty, so Terry, you about ready to hop in that boat?
I'm ready to go.
I'm just above her. But look at these rocks. You scale them to the top. They're magnificent when you're in the water and you're passing them by, and there's shaded areas. Like we're in the shade right over here. It's just a really cool place to kayak.
Over here, I'm waiting for you, shake it for you on the dance floor.
right here. They're all right here. Look at them all.
All the nests.
Look at all that poop. Those nests look kind of neat. They look like sacks, don't they?
Yeah, the nests.
Oh, there is one. I see one right there, baby.
They're flying
Oh,
around.
there's one right there too. They're inside. Look, the beaks. They're coming out. You see the beaks? Wow.
Where?
Nest. Right there in front of you.
Up here?
No, straight in front of you. The beaks coming out.
These. Okay.
And over to your left, the beaks coming out.
Looking for beaks.
He's right there. Look at the three. He's on the far
Oh,
right.
I see the beak.
Yeah.
Don't move the boat so much. Wow.
It's amazing.
That is
Cliff. Straight up.
awesome.
The cliff is amazing.
It's right out of that wall.
Yeah, this is we've hit the natural spring, and water comes up from there somewhere. Not sure where, but it all comes out right over there. We're kind of floating around here. Terry, there you can see. I think you can see the water. It's flowing out there. But we came from back there. There was some tight areas with the rocks, but we made it without bottoming out, and it's really not deep here. But this is where we came for. We just wanted to see the spring, or some call it the waterfall. There's some guys back there in the trees. I don't know what they're doing. But the canyon does go this way. It goes upstream another couple of miles. It's very shallow. You have to go this way and around, and I bottomed out a few times last time I came up here. So we're not going to do it because there's two of us in the boat. But it opens up again another, I'd say you can go back another mile. After that it's too shallow, and you can't boat. But we've had a lot of birds flying above us and around us. A lot of bird tweets.
A lot of birds.
We did see a lot of bleeding rock. If you can look over here, just before we came up to the spring here, a lot of bleeding rock. We could see a lot of it, and we knew we were getting close to the spring, and we finally saw it. You can call it a little waterfall, I guess. Not even sure you can actually see it. I think you can see it, Terry. You can see it, right?
I can see it.
And it comes up through the crack. But it's a beautiful day to be out here on this lake. This is Clear Creek. Again, there's a lot of fishing. A lot of people were fishing out here. The water's shallow. Again, we haven't hit bottom yet, and I don't want to, because we're in an inflatable raft. What are you doing?
Oh, the rock.
So we're going to head back in a little bit after we relax a bit. We're not going to go offshore and do some hanky-panky like those other people over here. They're up over here. But it is a great day out here. No clouds in the sky. And we are approximately a little over 2.5 miles from where we started. So it's a good paddle. But again, it's a wonderful day. It's really cool down here. The breeze is helping us. So anyways, we're gonna start heading back. I don't know if I'll do another video.
They're upset with us because we're here. Just on going in and out of their nests.
Wow.
This is mud swallow heaven.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. It's neat the way they go in their house.
Oh yeah, one just went in. We're in the sun, it's hard to see now. Well, that's fine. I think we're good. I think I got some video on this of this. That's awesome though. Is that a baby? I see a
I
bird.
don't think the babies are that big. I think there's eggs. They're inside.
Wow.
That's the mother. She's nestled in.
She just flew in. Now she's nestled in there.
They're so fast.
And the birds.
They got little red.
Did they leave their nest just now?
Oh, they came and gone.
I missed it. Yeah, I think we've disturbed them long enough. All right, we'll float. We'll float away. I hear someone behind us. All right, you want to let them go by?
It's big enough.
Okay.
It's gonna go slow.
They're just everywhere.
It's shallow. Look, there's rocks right there.
Oh, geez, so watch out for the rocks.
No, it's further down, but I mean, it is.
I think there's some swallows up here. More nests.
Because that's where that woman was taking photos.
Yeah.
I think the males are double dipping than the females.
Let's go that way.
Oh, trust your phone, Joe. Get it over the water.
All right. Sorry.
That's the
I
best.
don't know what it is. Ooh, wow. There's a little in cave. All right, don't get us stuck in here.
Oh, yeah, there's the nest. Look.
Oh, up here. I see them. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's only 1, 2,
There's a bird in there.
All right, this is the pump house area of the lake, Clear Creek Lake. And you can see the pipe goes down to those elbows and it goes down into the water. It doesn't do it anymore. So we're gonna continue going down the lake. And I'm not sure how many, I think we're 2 miles from the car. It was a crazy hike to get up here. I would not suggest it. I don't think I would do this again unless there's a rope ladder. It's straight up and it was nuts. But the water's deep. A lot of paddle boarders, a lot of kayakers. Very nice day, beautiful. A lot of rock, and I'm nervous about going back down. I'm sitting on this pump house rooftop. There's a doorway down below us, below me, and you can see there was electric connected to this place. It's kind of a nutty little cement building. I'll have to go down this way. But I imagine there was water tanks or something here. I'm not sure the history of this place. And then up there was a big warehouse. What's left of it. It's good views. Great views of the lake. Or Clear Creek. So I'm going to head back down and hopefully I won't fall in the water.
Told him I'll be back when I'm back in the Maybach, trunk full of stacks. Can they paint all black? 24/7, 365. Waited too long, now is my shine. I'm stunning when I'm running in the limelight. You steady running your mouth, cause I rhyme tight.
I got my eyes on you since you came in the room. Boy, just come over here. I'm waiting for you, shake it for you on the dance floor. No, 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 no. I want the attraction when I'm in the club. I want you to want me, cause I want your love, baby. I got my eyes on you since you came in the room. Boy, just come over here. I'm waiting for you, shake it for you on the dance floor.